If you've been hunting for that perfect effortless 90s boyfriend style denim jacket on Amazon, you already know most of them either look way too stiff or feel like cardboard. Today we're looking at Automet's oversized denim jacket. It's 100% cotton. There's a really nice logo from Automet, and you will see that it actually delivers that broken in premium vintage look, and it is not just drowning in fabric that's stiff and it feels like cardboard. Look how cute it is. It's just soft, comfortable, beautiful, fun, and really adds that soft vintage look to any outfit. Now, while this jacket has 5-star reviews, there's one specific issue that you need to watch for. Keep watching and I'll tell you at the end. It is 100% cotton denim. It's authentic fabric and it has zero stretch. It's just super soft. It's medium weight. It's washed for that soft broken in feel. It has lots of pockets. These deep big pockets in the front are deep, and they have these metal brackets, and they have 2 inside pockets that are deep enough for cell phone. You can actually even keep your lipstick, your wallet. It's big enough for all of that. Now the loose oversized boyfriend fit with the drop shoulders is just what you're looking for. That gives it that classic soft look. And it has the front closure and button cuffs, and the yoke in the back is really nice, and the fitting at the bottom is finished and soft, and it just brings the outfit all together. And it's easy to roll up because the denim is not so stiff, and that just adds a whole nother element to the look. You can machine wash it on cold. Inside out wash is recommended to preserve the stitching and don't tumble dry. Now it comes in small all the way up to extra large, and it's designed to run large, so if you like it a little smaller, I'd size down a size. This is a small, and you see the fabric is very easy to move, so rolling it up is effortless with one hand. It looks great worn open, and it looks really good thrown over the shoulders. It's from Automet, was provided for my honest opinion, and I really like it. I think you'll like it too.